Cognaire Respond for Recruiters is an AI-native platform that helps recruitment teams find, assess and submit the right candidates faster. It combines semantic matching, deep candidate analysis and AI-streamlined submission packs in a single workflow. In this video, I'll take you through the process, starting with a job brief, then finding suitable candidates and finally submitting them to your client. So let's look at how we create a job brief. Here we fill in the details of the role and then we use AI to tag the role with standardised ESCO skills. While we are doing that, CVs, such as this one in Word format, are being emailed into Respond, which formats them into your own branded template and builds up your candidate database at the same time. Instead of paying a third party or spending hours manually reformatting CVs, this happens automatically in minutes. Inside the app, we can open the talent pool and filter for candidates located in Brisbane, which we set in the job brief. Instead of keyword searches and manual CV review, we use semantic matching to score the top 100 candidates based on fit for the job brief. This searches tens of thousands of profiles in seconds, with scores shown in the match column. Next, we create a shortlist focusing on those with the highest match scores. Then we perform a deep analysis by creating a submission pack. Here we see candidate scores, strengths and a clear recommendation, with one candidate standing out. We can remove the lowest scoring candidates and focus on the strongest profiles. Next, we can look for more candidates like Thomas Fletcher. Here we see the more similar profiles that we can add to the submission pack. We can assess the overall pack, which is rated as good and covers around 80% of the requirements. The AI then identifies remaining gaps and recommends additional candidates, which we can add and reassess to improve the overall pack. Finally, to complete the process, we can download the CVs with names and contact details optionally redacted and generate a summary email for the client. What you've just seen is a complete recruitment workflow from job brief to client-ready submission, powered end-to-end by AI. Instead of manual searching, fragmented tools and subjective CV review, Respond gives your team a structured, data-driven process that scales. The result is faster shortlists, higher quality submissions, and better outcomes for your clients.